Usaremos la herramienta de animación integrada de Leonardo. Usaremos.
Means, we will use. It's the first person plural future tense of the verb.
Usar.
To use, pronounced.
Oo-sah-reh-mos.
With the stress on the second syllable. The
S.
at the end is a soft, unpronounced.
Se.
It indicates a future action performed by a group including the speaker.
La.
Means, there. It's the feminine singular definite article. Pronounced.
La.
A short and simple sound. It precedes the feminine noun.
Herramienta. Herramienta.
Means, tool, or instrument. Pronounced.
Er-rah-mee-en-tah.
With the stress on the second syllable. It's a feminine noun, hence the use of
La. De.
Means of. It's a preposition indicating possession or origin. Pronounced.
De.
A short, simple sound. Here, it shows that the tool belongs to or is part of the animation system.
Animación.
Means animation. Pronounced.
Animation.
With the stress on the third syllable. It's a feminine noun, explaining why.
La.
Is used.
Integrada.
Means integrated, or built in. It's the feminine singular past participle of the verb.
Integrar.
To integrate. Pronounced.
Integrada.
With the stress on the second syllable. It describes the tool's nature as being a part of Leonardo's system.
De.
Means, of, functioning as a preposition again. Pronounced.
De.
It indicates that the integrated animation tool belongs to Leonardo.
Leonardo.
Means, Leonardo, a proper noun, presumably referring to a software or program. Pronounced.
Leonardo.
With the stress on the second syllable. It names the source of the integrated animation tool. Putting it together.
Usaremos la herramienta de animación integrada de Leonardo.
Means, we will use Leonardo's integrated animation tool. It's a statement indicating the future use of a specific tool within a system called Leonardo.